Hi friends, this video is regarding Windows 11 and its recent updates. Hope you have installed Windows 11 or is getting errors with relate to the Windows 11 installation. This video I'll add all the links which I have previously uploaded in my YouTube channel so that if you go and check the description you will get all the videos with relate to Windows 11 installation errors and fix, which includes how you can fix the error with related to the non-supported hardware, how you can solve the issues with relate to the Windows 11 stuck on 0%, 36%, 80%, 81%. These all errors has been covered in various videos previously. This also includes the error fix for this PC can't run Windows 11 error. That is also covered in my one of this video. That videos is already hot and is running in the YouTube. So this video description will add all those uh, video links with relate to Windows 11 installation, error fix and all those, so that this will help everyone who is looking forward to install the Windows 11 successfully. So please watch this video. Please go and look into the description, and I have added it one by one with benchmark, so you can select the one which you require, which you are looking forward, and can solve the issue. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll be coming up with more videos related to Windows installation and error fixes. Thank you. Bye bye.